Hey there, I'm Jess, talent manager for LA's hottest new influencers. Meet Whiskers and Mittens, the feline faces taking over social media. From Rodeo Drive to Venice Beach, these cats are redefining influencer culture in their custom designer outfits. Watch Whiskers strut down the Hollywood Walk of Fame, while Mittens sips a latte at Silver Lake's trendiest cat cafe. These cats are going viral with millions of views. It's a new era of influence. Ready to collaborate with the next big thing?
Hey guys, it's Banana Joe here, your favorite primate influencer, living the dream in LA, baby. Hashtag Monkey Mobile. Another day, another sponsored banana smoothie. Hashtag ad red carpet time. Smile for the cameras, Joe. Is this really what I left the trees for?
Hey guys, Piggy Smalls here, live from LA. Another day, another grind for those followers. Oh my gosh, my TikTok just went viral. DM's blowing up with brand deals. Is that me on a billboard? Farm to fame, who would have thought? But remember, it's not about the followers, it's about the journey, right?
In a world where likes are currency and followers are fame, meet the new pack of influencers taking Los Angeles by storm. They're fierce, they're fabulous, and they're furry. From red carpet premieres to rooftop yoga, these pooches are living their best lives. Awesome Pooches, LA's canine influencers. Unleash your inner influencer.